A very good morning to you, my dear students. In the last class, we have started our new lesson, Delhi Sultanate. And in the previous class, I have mentioned that Delhi became an important city only in the 12th century. And the transformation of Delhi into a capital started in the beginning of 13th century. So they ruled many dynasties in the Delhi. Okay. So today we are going to see more about the Delhi Sultans. Well, let me ask you one thing. Where do we get the information about history, about the dynasties ruled? Yes, inscriptions, manuscripts, coins, architecture, etc. These are the historical evidences that gives us information about the history. In these, the most valuables are histories, that the writings. Okay, so in the Sultan period also, we have some histories, that is Tarikhs and Tawarikhs. Tariq means singular. When it is singular writing, it is Tariq, and Tawarikh, the plural writings. Okay, so we got information about the Delhi Sultanate from Tarikhs and Tawarikhs. These both are Persian words. Okay, these are Persian words. Persian is the language of the administration under Sultan period. Okay, so Persian language was the language of administration under Sultan period. So the manuscripts are the important sources or evidences that we get information about the Sultan period. There are mainly 4 stages in preparing manuscripts. Preparation of manuscripts include 4 stages. Let's see which are they. First stage, preparing the paper. Preparing the paper on which the manuscripts are going to write. After preparing the pages or papers, the next step is writing the text about the rulers, about the rule of a certain king or whatever, about the kingdom, etc. Third one, melting gold to highlight the words and phrases. Melting gold. Okay, so gold was used to highlight the certain words or phrases or passages which are given by the kings or which are used to praise the king, etc. And the fourth one and the last stage is preparing the binding. Okay, preparation of binding. After doing this all, the manuscripts is ready for or prepare for binding. These are the 4 stages for the preparation of manuscripts. So we saw the 4 stages of preparing manuscripts, that is Tarikhs and Tawarikhs. And my question is, who prepare these Tarikhs and Tawarikhs? Who prepare these manuscripts? Do you have any idea? In the Chola Empire, we have seen that prashastis were written to praise the kings or to praise about the rulers. Prashastis were written by whom? Yes, the Sanskrit scholars, that is Brahmanas. In the Chola period, Brahmanas wrote prashastis in Sanskrit language that we have already learned. And in the Sultan period, almost like prashastis, the manuscripts, that is the tarikhs or tawarikhs, were written by learned men, that means educated persons, secretaries, the officials of the king, administrators, that means the rulers, poets, great poets. The poets were written the praises of kings. And courtiers. Courtiers means the members of the Sabha, members of the king's Sabha. So these were the persons who wrote Tarikhs and Tawarikhs. That means the manuscripts which gives us the information about Sultan period. And the learned men, secretaries, administrators, poets and courtiers also advise the king or rulers in ruling the country. They also help and they also provided advisors on administration of the kingdom. Today we have learned about tarikhs and tawarikhs, which are the great source of information, and which are the stages on preparing tarikhs and tawarikhs, and who wrote these tarikhs and tawarikhs. Normally it is similar to the Prashastis of Chola Empire or Southern dynasty. In the Southern dynasties we seen that the Prashastis were written by Brahmanas. Likewise, in the Sultan period, the Tarikhs and Tawarikhs, these means the manuscripts, were written by the learned men, secretaries, administrators, poets and courtiers. That's all for today. Catch you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.